Big setback to the Southern Star Dileep actor Dileep, as the Kerala High Court has dismissed his plea to quash the conspiracy to murder case that has been filed against him by the Kerala Police Crime Branch. Now remember, on January 9th this year, the Crime Branch registered another case on actor Dileep basis a complaint that was filed by the investigating officer in this case, where he alleges that the actor Dileep in fact attempted to scuttle the probe. Now, the case was filed after an audio clip allegedly belonging to actor Dileep was telecasted by a TV channel. Now, in this clip, the actor was heard threatening and planning an attack on the investigation officers. Now, remember, actor Dileep is among the 8 accused in the 2017 actor assault case.
Yes, actor Dileep has contended that the charges against him, especially in the in the conspiracy case, is not true. He said that this is a case, these are just charges framed against him because there are personal animosity against him and his family members by certain people, including director Balachandra Kumar and also certain investigation officers. Remember, the court had, has said on the 31st of March that until the final verdict is done, a complete report cannot be filed in this particular case. But today, the Kerala High Court has dismissed actor Dileep's plea to where actor Dileep has, requested the court to quash the FIR registered against him by the crime branch. Remember, the case is indeed very, very serious. The case here is that actor Dileep and his accomplices was conspiring to eliminate the investigation officers who had, arrested him in the 2017 actress assault case. Now, Dileep is the 7th accused in this particular case. Now, what transpired between these two, in the last 1 month is that there is a number of digital evidences that the crime branch team has managed to retrieve certain important, telephonic calls, certain messages, which clearly point fingers towards the actor Dileep and also his accomplices, his family members, to his friends, where it clearly says there are connections and there are certain issues, certain evidences that prove that actor Dileep was involved in this particular conspiracy case. The court has found merit in that, and that is the reason why the court has outrightly said that it cannot quash the FIR.
All right, now we're in fact being joined by Deepa Iswar, an activist on the broadcast. Thank you so much for speaking to us here on Mirror Now, Deepa. Now, this is a case that has been going on since 2017, and actor Dileep has tried every trick in the book, in order to circumvent law and this case. But it's still, the case has not reached a logical conclusion. Sometimes it's allegations of conspiracy that actor Dileep makes. There are also grave allegations of sexual assault that the victim has made. But it's been like 5 long years, and yet we don't know what the truth is.
Right. So I do not know, like, on what basis you put across this point that he's been trying every trick on the book and to evade the law. So first of all, it's been going on for so many years, but I hardly doubt if we have any solid evidence, because with so much of media attention, with it being such a high profile case, why are we not able to zero in on one solid evidence against this actor, which is capable of arresting him? So it clearly means that there is something wrong in the direction of the investigation. I think this whole spotlight on being actor Dileep is a complete, I would say, like a curtain drawn. I mean, it should deviate. It should look at other options. It should see if maybe this is probably not the case at all. So why is it completely revolving around the actor if there is no one solid evidence after 5 long years of such strong scrutinized investigation? There is so much of attention in this. The biggest lawyers are involved, the biggest cops are involved, the biggest names are involved, and yet there is no evidence to arrest this person. So maybe we are wrong about this whole thing. Why are we not for once thinking that maybe it's not what we think it is? So even in the case of right now, the Kerala High Court has quashed Shri Dileep's request to has dismissed the request to quash this case on conspiracy. Now, what are the evidences that he has conspired? Just that he was sitting in his house and he was saying that, oh, these cops, we don't know what to do with them. Now, is this a conspiracy? Now my husband was arrested for a cause that he was in, the Sabrimala cause. When the cops came and arrested him, and if I see them somewhere, I would obviously feel, oh, they didn't even give him that time. I mean, how could they do this if I get them in my hands? Does that mean I'm conspiring to murder them? I mean, that's too much of a stretch of an argument to make. So a few audio clippings from here and there will not prove, or it's very sad that we are, looking at just one name. It's delaying the justice for that actress as well. If the investigation is the right direction, we would have caught and we would have seen what has actually happened long back. But the investigators are so much involved and focused on actor Dileep that justice is being delayed for this actress. That's what I'm saying.
So, Deepa, are you trying to say, because we're talking about, the High Court here, and it's clear that the fact that the High Court has, quashed his appeal, it clearly means that they have seen some kind of merit in the arguments of the officers, and the officers have provided, substantial evidence in the form of audio clips and a lot to back up their claims, and which is exactly why the High Court has said that, the court has dismissed what actor Dileep has been saying. So, are you here saying that that the courts have in fact are going in the wrong direction?
Then why are they not arresting him? So if they have so many strong evidences against him, and if it's presented to the court, why is the court not saying that yes, it has been proven beyond doubt that actor Dileep has conspired? Why is the court not saying that? So I'm saying that the court is in the right direction. The court has still not given anything against actor Dileep. The court has only said that we cannot dismiss the case. Give time to the cops, give time to the investigators for more evidence. That's all. It does not mean that the court says that yes, actor Dileep is behind it. The court is just supporting the investigation team. Okay, if you can get more evidence on it, go ahead and take more time. That in no way means that the court is saying that actor Dileep should be blamed for this. That is what I'm trying to clarify.
All right, Deepa, the fact remains that these are some very serious allegations against some, very high-profile individuals. And the very fact that it's taking so long, it's been more than 5 years in the case. So, not sure what kind of a precedent we're setting for others, in fact, who face these kind of similar actions. But thank you so much for joining us here on Mirror Now and sharing your views.